recording. How's game play?
If we're gonna do this right, you gotta say the name of the show correctly! This is a game and we're gonna play it.
Okay. Yeah, it's Octodad, and I'm the one who's playing it. I'm Splat, and that's Hedgerman's, whatever.
That's Hedgy. That's Hedgy over there.
Here we go.
Just the greatest. Seriously, this looks like it was made in MS Paint or something.
It kind of does.
Wake up, dear. Today
is a huge day.
Oh no.
Get up!
Oops.
Oh! Oh, you skipped the cutscene!
I didn't mean to!
It's like the best part of the game! Like, literally, because
okay.
the game is, like, unplayable otherwise.
This seems kind of... Oh, feet mode. Hold the left mouse button to raise the left foot and the right mount. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be ridiculous.
This is the most complicated controls I've ever seen in my life.
What is going on?
Well, there he is!
This is great. I like it.
Yeah, quality game.
Hey, I'm not half bad.
What is this?
It's awesome, Hedgie. It's awesome.
Yeah,
I've never seen the ending of this game, so...
I've never seen a lot of this game. Only that video you showed me. Which is why we are here now.
Push the left mouse forward. Yeah. Nice splits you got going there.
I like how his feet actually kind of look like shoes. Do you think that he had to, like, painfully put his feet through something to make them look like that? Like, he just had to, like, take a knife and carve his feet in order to look like human shoes?
No, I think he just has 2 tentacles in there, Hedgie.
Pirates?
Press the middle mouse? Oh, spacebar. Okay! Yeah!
Yeah! That's how
yeah! Okay, we're done with that.
I just slammed it on the ground, and I threw it on the ground!
Okay, and I got this.
Your wife's gonna be wondering why you're just, she's just gonna come in, she's like, honey, why are you caressing our plants? And then you can't say anything because you're fudging
He'll just be like,
where are you going? Did you ever turn off the alarm?
Yes, I picked it up and I threw it across the room. Do you think I turned it off?
It's not off or something.
Gosh, this is not going. No, I didn't mean to do this.
That guy's like sticking to everything. How did he get the suit on?
Magic? Oh, stanky leg.
I think this guy should
walking backward.
In fact, why is he even there? Why does he have a human wife and children?
All I want to know is how he made organic children.
Oh, there are ways.
Oh,
there are ways. They had a surrogate.
Ew.
Surrogate mother.
Just gotta sneak on over here.
What are you even supposed to do right now?
Touch this thing,
what is that? A box of chocolates? You can't eat chocolates.
It's actually makeup. I think you're right, he can't really figure this one out. Okay, gotta get closer. Gotta stand up. And here we go.
Alright, he's like, I got this.
Up? Oh, that's how you go up.
How do you do this?
I have no idea.
She's grabbing at everything. Oh. Is that like girl makeup? Oh, fudge. Oh, man.
Look at his eye just spazzing in the corner.
He's like, oh my gosh. What have I done? What have I done? Oh, never mind. Because he is an octopus, he can't really feel guilt that long.
Yeah, I suppose.
Alright, now, what are you supposed to do now?
Grab the
your
journal.
journal to end tutorial mode and explore a bit.
Or explore.
Oh my
bit.
gosh, the octopus went fishing?
Oh my. What is going on now? Yes.
He wants to
Yes.
Look at his shoulders, holy crap. Diary.
He's writing it with his mustache.
Last, another day begins, and I have yet to be discovered. My cephalopod nature remains a secret as long as I act in properly human fashion. My darling Scarlet and my children, I was about to say women.
Banana.
Banetna? Banetna.
Need to finish gift.
Oh snap! He's about to be
Look
assassinated.
at his mouth.
I know you've been working.
Is it just me, or does his wife change every time she shows
I
up?
have the most
Yep.
romantic dinner plan.
Oh my
I'm going to the store. Take care of the kids and
Oh
chores.
my
Look at her
god.
leg. What?
What? He's all of a sudden really depressed.
Look at him, ballerina.
You know, that would probably, like, really hurt your legs if you were an octopus, because you gotta, like, stand up on your legs. Also, did you know that male octopuses actually only have 7 arms?
Yes, you've told me this like 3 times.
Yeah, I wonder which one is his...
Oh, Hedgie, why would you go there? Well, this
It's a great way to start an episode.
this.
Is your hair itchy or something? Octopus, listen, I understand you want to try to be human, but that is a dog motion?
Okay, here we go. What? Ah! What? Stop floating! No! What are you doing?
Is he flying?
Yes. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do this.
Oh gosh.
Yeah! Oh no! No! It's going out of control! We're losing control! Ah! Got it! Yeah!
Oh fudge! Oh
Now
man.
get on mode and he'll just be carrying that.
Oh,
He's just gonna be carrying that.
Is ink leaking out of his hand?
Yeah.
I guess we found it.
Wait, that's escape? Oh, keep going. Save.
Banana from kitchen. Suit from living room. I thought he already had a suit.
He's wearing
Stop.
one.
Kids room. Build the mannequin. Don't sit
Um,
and quit. Oh,
well-
hey, there's a map. He has a map of the house.
Oh. Huh.
Well, where are we going first?
Why don't we just go random direction? What is going on?
Giant thumbtack on the door. That is the biggest fudging thumbtack I've ever seen in my life.
This is a terrible view.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Get
it
in
said
there.
in the video that you can change the camera at any time.
Yeah. Oh, whoops.
Honey.
The microphone slid.
Honey, I'm back from the store. Also, I got a facelift.
You want a banana?
You want a banana? But yesterday you said bananas were demon spawn.
How did he say that?
Ugh. Alright, you can have it. If you bark like a dog, I mean do your kitchen chores.
This lady is creepy.
Yeah, she like changes everything.
He's doing it again!
Alright, apparently he's like a secret agent or something. So what if, like, you know, while he's trying to keep the secret that he's an octopus, she's actually like shapeshifter?
That'd be interesting.
That would be very interesting. And then their kids are actually like dwarves from Dimension X.
Okay. Oh. Ah! I got it!
Dad ever.
Ah, crap,
Yeah,
I dropped
that-
some. Okay. Wait.
Actually,
No.
you're doing pretty good at this.
I'm trying. I don't know how to control this hand.
The cup, it's right there. It's right there. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, you
Oh my god!
When are you going to give me the number of your yoga instructor?
Just gotta fling it right
Give her the number of my yoga. No, not again!
Hey, at least you're getting them in the sink. Don't put the purse in there.
Okay. No. Oh,
The dishes are so sparkling clean.
thanks. It's on the floor.
You.
Well, there, he washed it anyway, so. It's love just pouring out of the sink.
Yeah. I forget how to walk. Oh, there we go.
There. Okay, wait. There's the mop. You have to mop the. What is that stuff on the floor?
It's soap, I'm assuming. I sure hope it's soap.
Which? All right.
Are you ready for
Which
our
kid
romantic
spills like
evening?
8 blobs of whatever on the floor in one spot in the kitchen? What is that? Like, were they making cupcakes and the green frosting just managed to spill out?
Maybe.
And that's a lot of frosting, actually.
That's actually a really good explanation for it, though.
Why, thank you.
Oh, the back of it cleaned up.
Well, that's how I'm gonna clean my kitchen.
He's dancing.
Well, he just loves mopping. Either that or that is the slipperiest floor ever. That mom model is
Why is
actually
his hand
pretty.
in the air?
Just wave your hands in the air like you just don't care. Well, no,
Oh my
gosh!
gosh!
Make videos out.
Get
I
it!
have to-
Come on, just one
You know.
more. Drop it. Ah! What's going on? Oh my gosh, he's in the floor.
Wait,
Oh.
he's in the floor.
His hand is in the floor.
Wait, I literally looked away for 2 seconds. Oh. Dragon stance! And that is how I, yes, just let me pick up this broom. Or mop. What is that
Yes!
anyway?
That could
You
be
got it!
interpreted
You
as-
mopped
We're
that
making
floor.
more of a mess than we meant to.
Actually, the hearts are probably making more of a mess than you meant to. Okay, so go check your journal. Check your journal.
Clean
Got-
the fridge?
Clean out the
Oh
fridge.
no.
Well, that's easy. All you gotta do is go right over there to your orange fridge.
Open
You
the
know-
door.
I think the coloring of this house is a little bit.
It's a little
Having
bit.
a
The
great
coloring of
fridge.
this house is a little bit.
You have pink cabinets.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, wait.
It's getting stuck on him.
Okay, wait. Right there. You just
Ah,
gotta grab.
What's
everything.
going on?
I
Poor
think you're
octopus.
too close to the fridge. Step back a little bit. There. Okay, there. You got it open. Now you just gotta flop your arm in there, grab everything, and throw it out.
Is that really what I got to do? Ew, look at this. What even is this?
Is that like a moldy pickle? What is it? Honey, you're supposed to leave these in the jar. And why is only one slice cut out from it?
We are making a terrible mess.
No, this is how you clean a kitchen in a modern family. Obviously.
Obviously.
Alright, there's what are those gray things on the top?
Oh my gosh, are those atoms?
Oh, those are fans. Okay.
How?
It's so the octopus can refrigerate. Is that sushi?
I sure hope not.
Honey, how could you? You know I'm definitely allergic.
Come on.
It's sushi.
Uh,
Oh my fucking gosh. Jerry? Is that you? Jerry, no!
His arm just can't go up high enough.
He's an octopus. They don't have any spines or arms. Or, well, they do have arms, but they don't have spine arms.
Got it. What is going on?
Through the fridge.
Ah!
Well, you got it.
Ah!
I think your hand.
This is a terrible idea.
You just gotta jiggle it out. Oh, you lost it.
What are you doing? Oh, goodness.
He's just thinking about his life. Get it with your foot.
Nice dance you did there, son.
He moves around so funny.
Well, of course, he's a green octopus.
Oh my gosh, it's staring at me. Oh, oh make it stop. No. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
As
well,
funny as it is, it's fudge and creepy as fudge. Alright. Who drinks that much soda? Who's drinking that much soda in their house?
us.
You just leave one box of pizza and a pickle
No!
with a bite out of it.
What? I'm in the fridge.
Hey, there, you're up high enough. No, get
No, it's not. For some reason, his arm can't.
Come on.
Come on.
You're
Got it.
You
Yes.
got it. There.
Stop the fridge. No! You can't.
Get it out.
Got it. Ah. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Now you just got 4 more. Can you handle it?
How does other people play this? Why is this foot in the fridge? No! 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 They're back! I haven't been paying attention to how long we've been playing. Oh well.
How long have we been playing?
Let's just play this entire thing through and like cut whatever we want.
Oh no, I won't be able to sit here that long. We need breaks in between.
Got it!
Oh my gosh, yes, finally. Okay, there, get it out.
So close! 3 more!
Oh my gosh, his arm! Oh my god. There! Okay, now get 2 more. It's just 2 more. You gotta willpower it. That's how it goes. There, you
One more. Come on.
1 more.
Come on.
One
No, don't scratch your butt. No! What?
Oh,
Well, now
yes!
the fridge is empty.
Yeah!
That's good, right?
Yeah! We
No,
did it! We did it!
Nay.
Alright, what do we have left to
Z tentacle.
do? What?
No. Well, that was
What do you-
definitely something a human would do. Walk across the room through the table.
Yes, okay, you have to clear off the red counter. That's
The
a
red
blue
counter.
counter. Space Bits, my favorite cereal.
Delicious. Oh, here it is.
Alright, get that on the floor. Oh gosh. Well, at least this isn't a fudge and fridge. Are those shoes?
He's like, all of this, just get all of it off. All of it.
Shoes!
No! This cereal doesn't belong in the kitchen. It belongs in that children's freaking bedroom. Oh.
I think freeze for a second.
Yeah.
Wait, okay, there's this. We should
There we
go
go.
this. Oh my gosh! You're getting mangled by kisses. Alright. Wait. Oh no. You have to go grab the banana.
Well-
Oh jeez.
Kind of stuck here.
Is it in her hand? Okay. Is it floating out in front of her, or is it?
No, it's in her hand. It's just hard to see.
Is there a fireplace in their kitchen?
Yes. It's where they cook their stew. Oh.
What? I just love the feeling of your everything.
Okay, I guess that's it for this episode. See y'all and
Back to the dining room. Yes,
this was a game and we began playing it. We shall continue next time. Goodbye, goodbye.
Yeah.